The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Freestone County in central Texas, north central Limestone County in central Texas, southwestern Navarro County in north central Texas, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Dawson, or 13 miles southwest of Corsicana, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tennis ball size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Corsicana, Mejia, Wortham, Coolidge, Dawson, Angus, Lake Mejia, Fort Parker State Park, Navarro Mills Lake, Richland Chambers Reservoir, Retreat, Oak Valley, Tehuacana, Richland, Streetman, Curvin, Mustang, Dresden, Corbett, and Cotton Gin. This includes Interstate 45 between mile markers 212 and 228. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Milam County in central Texas, southeastern Bell County in central Texas, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Rogers, or 14 miles northeast of Granger, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Bartlett, Little River Academy, Thorndale, Rogers, Holland, Buckholz, Alcoa Lake, Sparks, Yarrelton, Leadale, Edgeworth, San Gabriel, Sharp, Pettibone, Davila, and Valverde. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Waco metropolitan area.